Assalamualaikum dear viewers, this is YMD Alif, English stylish font. With this word familiar many of you. Now to do this you have to download fonts from third-party website and enter it in your saved editing app. Now if I say you have to do none of this, not just an app download, then what will happen? If you want to know, let's see, and at the end of this video there is a bonus tip. So without any further ado, let's roll the intro. So you need to download an application called Text on Photo, which link is available in this video description. Alright, we will enter this app and click on Gallery. Then we will choose the picture of our choice. Then from here we will select the aspect ratio. Then click to the tick mark, double tap here. Then we will write our text and click to tick mark. Then I will come down and get the style. There are opportunities to add more fonts here, but I don't think so. To have so many nice fonts below, more fonts need to be added. Then we will choose a font from here. Then we will come back and get many more options which will make your text more interesting. And then click to write and select full HD. Click OK. Then we will tap on save project. Then I will set our project name. Tap to save. Bonus tip. This bonus tip is for those who are Bengali. If my Bengali viewers want to know how to use Bengali stylish fonts, then check the link given in my video description where is my second channel, and here I have taught you how to use Bengali stylish font easily. Anyway, this was my today's video, and don't forget to subscribe and set the notification to all my this channel and second channel. And this is YMD Alif. Inshallah, see you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.